Clickfunnels for MLM and Clickfunnels for network marketing. So if you came to this video, you're most likely interested in generating leads and sales for your network marketing business, and you're looking to learn how you can get leads and sales for your MLM or network marketing using Clickfunnels or through some sort of sales funnel tool. So that's what this video is going to be all about, and I'm going to be showing you through some examples and how you can actually get some free done for you sales funnels for network marketing and for MLM in particular. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. And if you do want to get a free trial of Clickfunnels, we'll be providing a link down below in the video description so you can get a 14-day trial of Clickfunnels. But at the time of recording this video, guys, you can actually get a 30-day free trial of Clickfunnels. And I will actually leave a link down below to my article where we go over different trial offers and stuff and all that type of stuff. And if you go over here and click on this link right here, you'll see that you'll actually get taken to this page that looks like this at the time of recording this video. And you can get a 30-day free trial of Clickfunnels instead of the standard 14-day trial of Clickfunnels. So I want to quickly mention this in today's video just so you can take advantage of that offer if you are wanting to get a bit more extra free time to try out Clickfunnels to see if it's going to be right for your business, of course. And obviously a bit of a disclaimer that this deal could potentially expire in the future, so just keep that in mind. And if that's the case, I will be still updating the links down below and on this article so you can get the best offer available for Clickfunnels regardless of when you're watching this video. Alright, so if we go over here to Clickfunnels right here, you can collect leads, sell your product, host webinars, all that type of stuff, or even create a custom sales funnel. And you can even browse the funnel marketplace right here. And I've searched up like MLM for example, and you can see that you can obviously pay for different done for you funnels. Obviously you can just get some free funnels right here and stuff, ClickFunnels, so there's probably no need really, but as you can see there's a bunch of done for you funnels you can take advantage of. So yeah, plenty of different examples right here. And if we go over here to ClickFunnels, and if we go over here and we search up network marketing, you'll see there's a bunch of done for you funnels you can take advantage of right here. The live demo funnel, survey funnel, application funnel, ask funnel, lead magnet funnel. There's so many different templates right here. So if we click on the lead magnet funnel right here, so you can generate leads for your network marketing business right here, you'll see that Russell Brunson actually goes over like a video on how you can take advantage of this funnel right here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of done for you templates you can take advantage of right here as well for your network marketing business to collect leads and stuff. So if you go over here, click on this funnel right here. So if we go through this funnel in more detail, this is going to be like how it looks like. So step one is going to be the lead magnet page. You can customize this so it's going to be congruent to your own network marketing and MLM business, of course. And then they'll be taken to a thank you page. And of course, you'll offer some sort of free incentive. And this will not only increase your conversions, but it will actually build some reciprocity with your audience so they can potentially convert and, grow your network marketing, MLM, business and your downline, because this way you're giving them something for free and you can integrate your autoresponder to go ahead and automatically send, the free gift to your subscribers via email. And there's actually a course that I give away to people that do sign up from my affiliate link down below for Clickfunnels for a free trial. And this course isn't by Clickfunnels, but it's a custom course which goes over everything you need to know when it comes to using Clickfunnels, like the basics, all that type of stuff. And there's actually a lesson that shows you how to integrate your autoresponder so you can actually go ahead and use funnels like this for your MLM business. So if we go over here to my article, there's plenty of different bonuses that we go over right here. So we even go over some bonuses that can help you grow your affiliate marketing business if you're making money with affiliate marketing. Now, from the looks of things, if you're searching up this video or found this video, and then you're obviously interested in network marketing, but a lot of these bonuses can complement your business as well to grow it even further and to really stack the deck in your favor. So I want to offer these bonuses to really give you the best head start with ClickFunnels possible. But as you can see, one of the bonuses is a complete training on using ClickFunnels right here, which we go over right here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So it's actually a custom ClickFunnels course created by a third party to basically show you how you can use ClickFunnels and really just make it as easy as possible for you to use basically. And all you have to do again to claim your bonuses is just simply get a free trial for the link down below, and then all you want to do is just simply email me with the subject line ClickFunnels bonus claims so I can send you these bonuses after you sign up for my link, and we'll just obviously confirm that you went from my link, and then once that's confirmed you'll get access to all the bonuses on this article right here. So yeah, just want to go over that in today's video. And as you can see, there's plenty of free MLM and network marketing templates you can use for your business right off the bat. So there's a big variety of funnels you can use for free. So just keep that in mind. And obviously we went through the marketplace as well. So there are some custom designs that other authors have created inside the marketplace. So these are going to be third party vendors, like ClickFunnels themselves. So there's plenty of different like network marketing funnels. Like this one looks nice as well, but obviously, it is a bit expensive. So, why pay when you can just like, get free funnels for free instead of ClickFunnels, which do the job as well. But obviously, yeah, I just want to show you like some of these, marketplace examples as well. So you can see even more ClickFunnels examples of like MLM and network marketing type of funnels, because again, I want this video to be like a big overview of how you can use ClickFunnels for MLM and for network marketing, and also show you some sales funnels that are geared towards like network marketing and MLM type of businesses as well. So you can learn and really see the power behind, ClickFunnels when it comes to potentially growing your, own MLM business, your network marketing, and even like growing your downline, and just really, using ClickFunnels for MLM and network marketing. So again, I'll leave a link down below to a free trial to ClickFunnels. Again, at the time of recording this video, there is a 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels. That could expire in the future, so just keep that in mind that, if you do click the top link down below and it isn't a 30-day trial offer anymore, then it obviously has expired, so just keep that in mind. But again, the links down below will give you access to the best offers for ClickFunnels regardless of when you're watching this video. I'll be updating the links down below so you can go ahead and get the best deals. And if you do sign up for my link down below, you get a ton of bonuses as well. Just wanted to quickly mention that as well. So yeah, that's basically it for today's ClickFunnels for MLM, ClickFunnels for network marketing, and the best sales funnels for network marketing, MLM type of businesses, and how to generate leads and sales for your network marketing and MLM type of business. Cheers.